This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Selma Shevers. Home is where the heart is, and your new beginnings await. Cozy and cute 3/2/2 home with character and keen attention to detail, open and flowing floor plan with tiled living areas, open kitchen with breakfast bar, quartz countertops and newer stainless steel appliances, spacious bedrooms with luxury vinyl flooring, and newer water heater. Home is extremely well cared for with pride of homeownership, with brand new roof installed late 2025, owner added a screened-in porch and vinyl fence, a separate front door for versatile use, with kitchenette for possible added rental income. A commuter's dream centrally located with close access to I-95, shopping, great schools and restaurants. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.